critically burnt. In this episode, fire resembles the social stigma and norms. Let's see how a person is critically burnt under the name of social norms in our society. That pain of being judged, comments, every single word they spoke and every time they pointed out was like a drop of hot wax being dripped on this heart. Yet this heart swallowed all the pain itself, never circulated nor pumped it out even once. But can't you hear that voice full of torment and agony? And now it's totally tugged in and out with wax, gasping for that little hope to survive. But at last, you burned that person. You burned that person in the fire of social stigma and norms. All the layers of skin were burning one by one, falling dead on the ground along with the dreams and aspirations. Split opening the dermis, this fire is all over now. It vaporized all the confidence and positivity like the body fluids stored deep inside. This heat has contracted all the tissues and muscles, trying to fit them somewhere that doesn't belong to. And the hot air they have been breathing in this fire has blistered the throat and choked the lungs with smoke from inside, so that they won't be able to move those lips. They have been burning for a while now, and as the body starts to leak out all the faith from every small blood vessel, many would just give up here and end their lives. Beyond this, you even won't feel the pain, since this fire have already reached your nerves, making you numb all over. Critically burnt. Sorry, I think it's brutally burnt. Completely deformed and changed into someone else they never imagined to. But still, you can find some people gasping for that little hope to survive. And those will succeed in coming out from this fire instead of turning into this greyish, faceless ash. This trauma might continue to haunt you, but now this fire and burns doesn't scare you anymore. People are always ready to roast you till you turn into ashes. It's you who have to decide where to stop them and have some boundaries to protect yourself. Thank you.